Yo, today I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited star coins in TEMU using this brand new glitch, guys. So basically, as you guys can see, I have 804,000 star coins. And basically what this is, it's a modded version of the original app. This works on all iOS and Android devices. And basically with it, guys, you can add unlimited star coins to your account. So as you guys can see, there's a plus button right here. And with that plus button, I can literally just add 10,000 coins. So there you go. See that, guys? 814,000 now. Boom, 824,000, and I can even hit it another time, 834,000. So I can just keep on hitting that as many times as I want, guys, up to like millions of coins if I want to, guys. As you guys can see, I have redeemed all these rewards already, so you can redeem as many rewards as you want, guys, using this method, okay? So I'll show you guys exactly how to do this and how you guys can get it on your devices. So basically what it is, it's called TEMU++, and it's a modded version of the original app like I mentioned before, where you can just add unlimited star coins to your account whenever you want. And the coins never expire, by the way, using this app as well. So you can hold on to them for as long as you want without redeeming them if you want to. That's the beauty of this app, is the coins never actually expire. Let's get into it, guys. So yeah, like I said, I do have it running on my iOS and Android flawlessly. I've tested it on multiple devices, so you guys don't need to worry about that at all. You don't need a jailbreak or root at all to get this, guys. So let's get into it. I'll show you guys exactly how to do this. So the first thing you guys want to do is pop open your browser, and you want to go over here, okay? So just get this typed in. Alright, get that typed in, guys, and click the go button. And we're just going to search for TEMU. So there it is, guys, TEMU. Oh, whoops. I don't know what I'm doing here, guys. Okay, TEMU. Okay. And then we're just going to hit this button here. And basically, it's going to start building you a personalized app tailored to your device based on your device's specs and version, all that. Once that bar is finished, it's basically going to, if you're on Android, it's going to take you straight to the setup wizard. And once you're over there, you basically just want to do exactly what each app's... you want to just do exactly what the instructions say. If you guys are stuck at all or having any issues with the instructions, click on the red play button at the top of the setup wizard. That'll basically take you to a full YouTube video walkthrough guide on how to do the steps step by step, one by one. It's a super awesome guide, guys. So if you guys are on iOS, though, it's going to hit you with this message right here. So just click allow, close, pop open your settings, and it's going to hit you with this message here. And then, so there it is, guys. TEMU mod for iOS and Android, unlimited coins, referrals, spins, and more. So yeah, you can get unlimited rewards using this app, guys. So we're gonna get this booted up onto our device here. There we go. Okay, done. So I basically just updated my TEMU++ app, my TEMU mod app. And basically what you guys want to do is pop it open, click on the go button twice, and then basically it'll give you all the instructions on what to do. Yeah, do exactly what the instructions say to do. But if you guys are stuck at all on any of the steps or need any help, there's a red play button at the top of the instruction wizard, setup wizard, that will basically take you to a full YouTube video walkthrough guide. A live video guide will show you how to do all the steps step by step in a live video tutorial. But other than that, that's all you guys should need. So guys, that's how to get TEMU rewards for free using this brand new mod on iOS and Android in 2023. Thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, this works for all the redemptions, guys. You can get unlimited redemptions and everything, and unlimited money using this app, guys. It's pretty awesome. You guys should hop on this while it still works. I highly recommend that. If you guys have any questions at all, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you guys out. But other than that, guys, if this video helped you at all, please show me some love. You know, drop a like, comment, whatever, if I helped you guys out at all. I'd greatly appreciate it, because I want to keep on pumping out content like this for you guys, okay? So thanks for watching. I'm out.